What I do is I defend people who are accused of DWIs. Prior to that, I did law enforcement where I made DWI arrests. I learned what to look for when a person's intoxicated. I learned the field sobriety test forward and backwards. Being good at those and seeing them from that side, it helps me look for the weaknesses in the state's case. In 2005, I was arrested. I felt like I was generally looked at as guilty of the crime, even though I hadn't been convicted of it. And it was later dismissed. Everybody worries about the impact on their career and just the stigma of a DWI. I try to make people feel comfortable as they can while they're going through it, answering their questions, being there for them, and making sure they're in the loop the entire time through their case. My strategy for cases is to look at the facts of the case and pick out the weak points. I know when somebody hires me, they're putting a lot of trust in me, and I want to show them that I'm doing what's right for them. I don't quit, and I try to give it the care and attention that that case particularly needs.
It wasn't an easy moment in my life. I was scared that I was going to lose everything. I was in jail when my family hired Steve. They found Steve. I needed him more than at that time I knew. He was the remedy. He felt like I shouldn't have even been in that position in the first place, and I believed that. You know, good people, when you come across one, hang on to them. You know, Stephen Bowling is one of the best I've ever seen.
In Texas, a DWI never goes off your record. I find you really need an attorney who's going to fight for you, who wants to go to trial on your case. I recommend everybody fight it to trial. If the prosecutor offers a DWI plea, no matter what they're offering for you, it's still a DWI, so you might as well fight it. That's really why I want to fight every case. If it's not reduced or dismissed, then through trial, so we have a chance at getting a not guilty.
I thank God for Steve, because I didn't have to go through any more than I had already been through.
The most rewarding part is when the case is over, if it gets reduced or dismissed, and seeing the client be able to go on with their life, to move on and put it behind them.